Hi all, and welcome to another video. This one is demonstrating the IPD VF5MP IR PTZ. It's a Partizan camera and the product code is 1562 if you want to find this on the website. If you do have any questions regarding this camera after the video, all the contact information will be there. As you know, just give us a shout. This video is going off the SH model MVR video that I've done, demonstrating the cameras, and I was showing that you're only limited to the functions of the camera via the MVR. So I'm going to show you now via the web page on how many settings you can do to the camera. So what we'll do is we'll ping up the camera. Normally ask me for a username and password, but I think I'm already logged in. As you can see, here's our camera. What I'm going to do straight away is shoot to settings, and here you've got your basic settings here: system, time, and advanced. All seems correct. I'm going to leave that as it is. Actually, I'm going to quickly sync with the PC. All good. Network to the camera is on, and you've got all your other options here. Again, I'm going to leave that for now. The camera itself, this is all out of the box. I haven't touched anything here. So you've got your vertical mirror, so you can change it about if you get the corridor situation, or you fitted the camera in a position where you've had to flip the lens. You've got the horizontal, flings the camera that way, flings the camera back. You've got your backlight, digital WDR, all these other options here to play about with. Exposure settings, effect settings, white balance, and then reset it to the original, which I'll do. Actually, no, I'm going to leave that for now. Video and audio, this is all your parameters. So basically, you've got your 265 enabled, and then you just check down here that you've got it as you want it. Your substream, same thing there. I think it's all on the best at the moment, and then the JPEG there. Character display, got all these turned on for some reason. I'll turn these off. Don't need them on. Motion detection, all areas covered. Sensitivity quite high there, we'll bring that down. Privacy mask, as I said, you couldn't do this on the MVR, but you can do it on here, which is always good. And you can save that. So you've now got a privacy mask on there causing issues. So I'll get rid of that. Oh, photo saving path, so it tells you where you want to save it onto the computer, and then audio on there as well. Alarm, all your alarm outlet relays there, and alarming schedule here, it's already set to every day. Record, all your record facilities here, overwrite, manual recording options, your playback as well. So you can do a search from time to date here, do a search, download the playback or watch it first. Make sure you want to download that part. Users to the camera, you don't really want to add, unless you're fitting this without an MVR, you don't want to add no other users to this. Again, this is the password for your camera. So again, we would advise updating that, maybe the same as the MVR. Just do not keep it as admin. And then the log of the camera, what I've been doing. So I've been playing about with it, as you can see, got a lot of notifications going on. The other good function of this web page is the PTZ function. Now, this is where you play about with it here, and you can set up your call buttons and whatever you in your presets. So what we'll do is we'll do a preset now. Preset number 1. Do a zoom, and then we set it. We then go to number 2. Set it. Number 3. We'll set that. And then number 4, we'll just do a little zoom onto that tree. set. So now what you can do is you can go to here, go to number 1 and call it. Number 2, call it. Number 3, call it. And number 4, oh, look at that lovely little tree over there. As you can see, again, this is a little mini PTZ, dome PTZ you can call it, and it really does do the job, especially, again, I keep mentioning this, for the price. You've literally got everything on there that you need for, you can even use this in residential. So, yeah, nice little camera, does the job. You've set up all your settings here of the camera itself, and you're good to go, basically. Like I said, just a little quick video of the PTZ there. If you have any questions at all, please give me a shout. Other than that, have a good day.